Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Kelechi, and for my project, I will be talking about the application of informatics in the hair industry. Now, as we all know, informatics talks about the intersection between information, technology, and people. During this presentation, I am going to be showing you how it is applied in real life scenarios like the hair industry. Let us dive into the first section. Now, African women have contributed greatly to the rise in the hair industry. This stems from the fact that these women want to transform their hairstyles, have a variety of looks at their reach, and be socially accepted. These activities have led to the sudden rise in the hair industry in the recent years. Looking at the hair business that I worked on, Wig by Lana is a Nigerian company that deals with the sale of hair extensions. They also make hair wigs available for sale. It has an online social media presence, but it does not maximize the potentials of the platform. And though it has been active in the hair industry for many years, it has barely had any recognition amongst people in Nigeria. So the question is, what exactly is the problem and how can informatics help out? In its SWOT analysis, we can see that one of their strengths is they have quality hair for sale and it is being sold at an affordable price. Now, most big hair brands in Nigeria sell their hair extensions at an expensive price. It means that this trend is an advantage for the hair business, but only if people knew about the hair business. In its weakness, we can see that it lacks the appropriate information system to reach out to potential customers. There are also opportunities that the business owner can take an advantage of in order to increase the business revenue and grow the customer base, such as venturing into hair training and blogging about hair related stuff. Nevertheless, there are also threats to improving the hair business, some of which are low provisions of funds and the business owner is not well informed about the use of technology. In the competitive analysis, I have looked into two hair businesses in Nigeria that are about the same business scale with my hair business, but seem to be doing better than mine. From the first slide, we can see that the first business has a strong customer base on social media, but is only present on Instagram. Same goes for the second competitor. It has a strong customer base, but only one social media platform presence. Now, based on my observation of these companies, they both frequently upload items for sale or hair related posts. Just in general, just keeping their business accounts very busy. And they also make use of Instagram business tools, which help them manage their business effectively. Down to the business requirements, in order to improve the information system of the hair business, we need the following. We need a social media platform to help increase the awareness of the business, a website or a blog where customers can participate in hair forums. We also need quality pictures and videos so that the customers can have a better understanding of the items for sale. And also for other sources of revenue, training can be conducted using a learning management system or WhatsApp. Technology requirements. Now, based on the goal of the business, whatever technology is recommended, it should be able to do at least one of the following. Reach out to a large number of people through advertisement. It should be able to upload contents of items for sale, enable direct communication between the buyer and the seller, and it should be able to provide analysis of potential customers. Next, we are going to be looking at technology solution. Now, after carefully analyzing the hair business, I came up with the goal of the project, which is to grow the hair business by improving the information system and generating more revenue through online training. In this section, we are going to be looking at the different technologies that will be used to achieve this goal and also some security concerns that should be thought about before adopting these technologies. In technology solution, the hair business owner needs to understand and utilize the full potentials of IT infrastructure in marketing and carrying out online training to achieve the project goal. These technologies have been recommended based on the business and the technology requirements. First, we'll be looking at Facebook. Now, as we all know, Facebook is an online site used for social networking. It is also the largest social media platform that connects users to family and friends all around the world. Now, the advantage of using this platform is that business owners can create adverts that is aimed at the target market. They can decide what age group, gender, and location of people that should be able to view the adverts. Facebook also has a marketplace where sellers can advertise their products by uploading pictures of items for sale. Using Facebook Marketplace is free as sellers do not have to remit any percentage of income made from sales back to Facebook. Next on the list is Instagram technology. Now, Wig by Lana has an Instagram account, but it does not utilize the full potentials of the platform. The business owner is advised to upgrade the business account to the Instagram business tools so that she can be able to use Instagram adverts. Like Facebook, business owners can also decide what target markets they want before they place their adverts. These business tools can also generate analysis of users that visit the page. It is also able to show what post had the most interactions from users, what range of age groups visited the page, what location has more potential customers. These analyses will be able to help the business owner make good decisions concerning the business and also make management very easy. Next is WhatsApp technology. WhatsApp presents a different type of social networking to users. Here, users send text messages or media content to other users over the internet. It is actually similar to the traditional method of text messaging, but it is done over the internet, which saves cost. Now, WhatsApp can be used to carry out online training. Here, students pay to register for the class, and registered students are invited to a private WhatsApp group by the business owner. The business owner, who is also the admin, uploads training materials for the student. This platform was chosen because the current customer base is very small and the business owner lacks funds to incorporate a more standard learning management system. Although it is efficient for the business skill and communication between the student and the business owner, it can only accommodate 256 participants in the group. Next on the list is WordPress technology. Yes, it is essential for a business to own a personal website to promote and manage services. However, such a website is not needed now because of the size of the company. In the meantime, the introduction of blogging about general hair education using WordPress sites will be helpful in developing a customer's trust for the seller's knowledge of the product. This platform can also be used to carry out online training using a learning management system. But then the size of the company is too small and using this method is not necessary at this stage. Last on the list is e-commerce technology. Now, in this form of marketing, the business collaborates with top e-commerce websites in Nigeria to promote their services. Konga is a Nigerian e-commerce website that helps business owners to sell their products. And the benefits for collaborating with such sites are the seller gets to save costs on shipping, logistics is handled by the e-commerce site, and it is actually a faster way to reach buyers in Nigeria. However, the business owner should note that this service is not free, as a commission of 3% is paid back to Konga after sales are made. Aside that, with $3, you get to sell 10 items, and with $7, you have an unlimited number of items to sell. Moving forward, we are going to be looking at some security issues associated with social media computing that the business owner needs to be aware of. One is brand impersonation. Now, brand impersonation involves setting up an account to impersonate the actual business account and target the business customers. This act will create confusion between the customers and the authentic business owner. Now, once such accounts have been identified, Instagram and Facebook allows users to report such fake accounts so that it can be deleted. The second is hacked accounts. Social media accounts are susceptible to being hacked. Therefore, the business owner needs to separate the business page from personal accounts. And also, accounts should be secured with a very strong password. Now, piracy. In piracy, all media content must be watermarked with the official business brand logo to avoid theft. Last but not the least is privacy. Now, in privacy, this has to do with the online training carried out through WhatsApp. All registered students should sign a confidential agreement protecting the business owner's intellectual property rights. However, the business owner cannot really control what content is shared to the public. It means that this issue is a risk that the owner has to bear. In conclusion, the new system, which consists of a combination of 5 technologies, is capable of growing the hair business from where it is now. The business owner also needs to make a decision of adopting all or some of the technologies discussed. However, I think it is best to adopt all technologies since most of them are free to use. And also, the business owner should consider making other provisions for the company in the future when the business starts to grow. In the aspect of online training, it is advised that a learning management system should be used as the number of students increases. Thank you for listening to my presentation.